Now you will learn what is a RedotPay card and how does it work. How can you get a RedotPay card and use it in real life? Unique benefits that Redot card provides compared to other crypto cards, and what other crypto cards do I recommend in addition to the RedotPay card. First, when you want to get a RedotPay card, you'll need to create a free account. And I will leave you a link in the description right here below my video where you can get a gift when you sign up to RedotPay for the first time. After clicking the link below my video, you will land on the RedotPay registration page where it says spend crypto like fiat, and here it says register now. When you scroll down on this page, it also shows you the process. Apply for a card, deposit crypto, spend and transfer with crypto. You will sign up for free using your email address or with your Google account. Both methods are free. Then you want to download the RedotPay app to your mobile phone. For example, here on the Android phone you can see there are more than 1 million downloads and more than 4.7 stars out of 5 based on tens of thousands of reviews. So people absolutely love RedotPay. Let's open the app by clicking right here, and now we are inside. You might be asking, what is RedotPay card and how does it work? If you have ever had the Visa card, MasterCard or any type of payment card, it's similar with a few major differences. First of all, with the RedotPay card there are no monthly or annual fees. And as you can see here, you can easily top it up with crypto or fiat currencies and spend either one in real life. So you can spend even crypto in real life in more than 130 million merchants globally. Traditional bank cards only allow you to top up fiat currencies and they force you to spend fiat currencies only. With fiat currencies we of course mean government currencies, euro, British pound, US dollar and other ones. But with the RedotPay card you can also top up and spend crypto, as you can see here, USDT, BTC, USDC and many other ones. There are some unique benefits of RedotPay card compared to other crypto cards. First of all, it has a much higher spending limits than most other crypto cards. Just to show you the proof from the RedotPay website, it says transaction limit per transaction is $100,000. So you are able to spend up to $100,000 in one transaction, and the daily limit is up to $1 million per day. So that is definitely one of the best, if not the best of all crypto cards. Just to give you a quick comparison, here on the Crypto.com card, which is one of the most famous crypto cards out there, aggregated top-up limit is $25,000 per month. So in other words, with RedotPay card you are able to spend 40 times more money per day than you can spend here in a month. So it's in a completely different universe. And the Bybit card, which is also a famous crypto card, last time I checked, it allows you to spend up to 10,000 euros per month on tier 1. So that is 100 times less than what RedotPay card allows you to spend per day. So if you ever want to use big amounts of money, RedotPay card completely beats almost all the other crypto cards and even the bank cards, because most bank cards get your card frozen after spending a few $1,000 or perhaps tens of thousands of dollars. And the second unique benefit is this referral program right here. That is unique compared to many other cards. I will show you more details about this in a moment, but first let's go through the steps on how you can get your very own RedotPay card. As I mentioned earlier, the first step is to link the first link in the description. The second step is to create your free account right here. The third step is to come here into app and click here card. And here you can click the plus icon on the top, and here you can choose between a virtual card or a physical card. Virtual card you can use easily online or in store if there is this contactless payment. And a physical card you can also use the same way as the virtual card, but you can also use the ATM withdrawal, and of course it's nice to have in your own hands a physical crypto card. That's why I personally took both of these, physical card and a virtual card. You notice here that the virtual card has an issuance fee of 10 USD and the physical card has an issuance fee of 100 USD. Both are typically valid for 3 years, so if you use these cards a lot, issuance fee becomes almost meaningless over time. And once you have your card, you want to top up some funds, so you can come here in the home page and you can click here deposit. If you want to top up fiat currency, so euros, pounds, US dollars, you can simply choose your favorite currency, for example euro right here. Then you will get your euro account and you can top up easily with bank transfers, for example. If you want to top up crypto, that's also easy. For example USDT right here. You notice how many options they have. Here is a typical crypto USDT on-chain deposit. Expect your funds in as little as 30 seconds. You can click right here and you can see that they support many different networks. BNB Smart Chain, Arbitrum, Solana and many other ones including Ethereum. So this is one of the best ways to deposit money in my personal opinion. But then there are also many other ways including PayPal, Google Pay, Revolut Pay, credit or debit card and other ones as well. There are probably more options to deposit than on almost any other payment app. One of the unique ways is of course Binance Pay. Let me just quickly show it to you. I click right here. You can choose the deposit amount. Let me put 1 USDT to show you an example. I click here top up now. I click here confirm and after verifying the payment was successful. You can see here $1.01. So there was a 1 cent fee in this example transaction. And here is also the proof the money arrived immediately. I like to use this Binance Pay because it gives immediate deposits and it only takes a couple of clicks. If you are doing a lot of deposits, you may want to use this on-chain deposit to avoid fees because these third-party payment methods usually have higher fees than on-chain deposit, which is almost free. Now that you have money in your RedotPay account, how can you use your card? And you can use it the same way like you would use any card. For example, in a grocery store, in restaurants, when you are traveling for flights, taxis, hotels, Airbnb, etc., etc. For your clothes, hospital bills, whatever you need. And you can also withdraw from ATM, so you can do whatever you want with your RedotPay card. I promise to show you more benefits and details also about this free method and other alternative crypto cards so you can get even more rewards. When you come here on the homepage, you see here referral section. And here on the bottom it shows you the basic idea. So you send your referral link or code to friends. Your friends sign up using your link or code. And then third, you get commission when they activate their card or spend. And this is quite unique compared to other crypto cards because some of them have like a card activation or similar bonus when some of your friends start using the card. But here on top of that, you can also, when your friends use the card, you can see transaction. It means that when they spend the money with the card, you can earn a certain percentage of the transactions, which is quite unique. And also the tire tool. So it's a win-win-win situation for every party involved. If you want to learn more details, you can click here for the referral rules and it explains to you everything. Then they also have this credit account and here you are able to get credit. Let me show you how it works. I click here increase credit limit. Let me transfer some BTC, increase credit limit, transferred successfully, confirm. And you can see now I have available credit of 62.6 USD. So you can use your crypto as collateral and receive credit. And you can easily withdraw money from your credit account by clicking here transfer out. And then from credit to funding account, I transfer the BTC back there. Transferred successfully. Confirm. And of course, when you want to withdraw money from the RedotPay app, it's also easy. You can click here withdraw and then you can select the withdrawal method. So you can withdraw crypto on chain and you can also withdraw fiat, so government currencies. I promise to show you alternative crypto cards to give you even more benefits and rewards, and one of the best one is a BITGET card that you can see right here. One thing that I really like about BITGET card that you can see right here, it has a monthly spending spending limit up to $300,000 in level 1, and then on level 4 you can see monthly spending limit up to $3 million. So this is another great option for you if you want to have cards that have a high spending limit. Then Bybit Card is a great option for everybody because their virtual card is available even in those countries that don't usually provide any crypto cards. And on top of that, they give up to 10% cash back. You can get 100% rebates on selected partners, and there are also other benefits and a free worldwide delivery of your Bybit card for VIP users. I will leave you direct links in the description below the video for all of these crypto platforms that I have mentioned that provide great crypto cards, so you can use the links in the description below the video, get your welcome bonuses and enjoy using crypto cards worldwide.